Alright, there is another neighbors coming in. Another thunderstorm coming our direction. We just came through one up in the Winesburg area, which is up northwest of here, on the way back from doctor's appointment. And this here storm here is coming from our southwest. As I'm speaking, making this video, we're under a severe thunderstorm warning. And I guess actually maybe in parts of Tuscarawas County and Coshocton County is under flood warning or flood watch. I think it was flood watch. So yeah, it's another thunderstorm. At least it's cooling things down, because it was real hot. It got up to 93 in my vehicle's thermometer. Looks like the bulk of this might stay a little south of us here. So I think we're going to get some that might still be to the west of us yet. Because there's still a lot of thunder and lightning from in that direction. So I'm going to get in here and upload this video when I get the chance. God bless, stay safe.